Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is all about symbols. Okay, so these symbols you can see in the P&ID. So P&ID is piping instrument diagram. So here is all the symbol for the P&ID. So we will start from here. So this is a gate valve open. Okay, gate valve close. So this is a globe valve, needle valve. We have a check valve. So this check valve, you can see this arrow, you must follow this flow direction based on the isometric. In the isometric you will see the flow direction. You must check also this, the flow direction of the check valve. This is a very important to you, Pipefitter. Okay, and we have an angle bulb. So this is 3-well bulb. We have a diaphragm. Okay, and also this is called the spring of force. Okay, solenoid. So this is solenoid. If you see this S inside of the box, so you can remember this is a solenoid. Okay, we have a cylinder piston. So this is a cylinder piston, and so this is familiarized. You must familiarize from this. If you see this line from the top and they have a line from the horizontal, so this is relief or a safety bulb. Okay, and we have also, so this is a Y type strainer, and we have also an, so this is an orifice. Okay, please take note. And we have a flange symbols. So this is a flange symbols. So this is a cup. So this is a cup. If you can see this, so this is a symbols of cup. And we have an expansion. So this is an expansion. Okay, or the flexible hose. So this is a flexible hose. And we have a steam trap. So steam trap is here, and so this is a spectacle blind. Okay, and they have a other name. So this other name is reversible blind, or reversible open and reversible close. So if you see this, the, so from the bottom they have a shadow. So this is a close, and this is the top shadow, is this is an open. Okay, so from the bottom, no, they have no shadow. So this is a spectacle blind open, or reversible blind open, and this is reversible blind close. Okay, so next is, so this is a two bulbs. So this is a two bulbs manifold, and we have, so this is a 5 bulbs manifold. So this is the symbols, and we have a process line. Okay, we have pneumatic. So this is the pneumatic signal, and we have a hydraulic signal. So they have a letter L, so hydraulic signal. So next is we have insulation. So this is insulation symbol, and we have a local mounted. So this is a local board. You see this is a CV in they have a symbols of letter CV. So local board. So local board, and we have this is a local panel mounted, and we have remote control, and we have, so this is a DCS and interlock, and TUB is tubing. Okay, from the bottom we have also a symbol here. Okay, so from this, so this is a butterfly bulb. We have a dotted from center line, so this is a butterfly. Okay, and what next? So this is a blind plans. Okay, and we have a this is a software or data link, and this line is capillary tubing. Okay, so this is the symbols for the P&ID, guys, and that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DD channel. So this is um, isometric symbols. Okay, so this symbols is always see in the isometric drawing. So this is a typical symbols. Okay, so we will start from here. So this is a gate bulb. Okay, and we have slip-on flange, and this is a weld neck flange. This is a lap joint, and we have a 90 degrees elbow. Okay, if you can see, they have a different from this gate valve. So we have 3 gate valve. Okay, and they have a different symbols or different joints. Okay, if you see this dotted line, so this is a gate valve, so this is a dotted line, so it means if you see this dotted line, it means this is a butt weld. Okay, butt weld. Now this is a normal, and this is a gate valve also. This is a normal, so this is a screw joint. Okay, remember this drawing, this is a screw joint, and this is also a gate valve. So we have a line here, so this is a socket weld. Okay, so this is a socket weld, and this is a sleeve on flange, and this is also butt weld. Okay, and we have a screw joint, and we have socket weld. This is a weld neck flange. Okay, and this is screw joint, and we have a socket weld. So this is a socket. See this, you see these symbols, so this is a socket. Okay, and we have a lap joint, and we have a 90 degrees L. So this is a 90, so we have a 290 degrees elbow, and this is a butt weld, but they have a different symbols. Okay, if you see this dotted line without line, you see the same like this. So this is a shop weld, and we have a field weld. Okay, so this is a field weld and a shop weld. Okay, remember this. And we have a union. So this is a union, this is a screwed, and we have a union of socket weld. Okay, So next drawing is regarding supports. So we have a different symbols on isometric that we can see from the supports. Okay, and they have a different supports and also fittings. Okay, so I will draw and check a note, please. So this line is a very important symbols. Okay, so if you see these symbols in the line of isometric drawing, so this is a flow direction. Okay, flow direction. So please take note this one, and very important, because if you installed a check valve, so this is a check valve. Okay, you must check the flow direction of the line, so that the line of this check valve is also with the same flow. Okay, so we will draw here. So this is a check valve. So the flow is, if you see this is a flow direction. It means our flow is going here. Okay, so this is a very important. So next drawing is, so this is a stop. So this is in a support, and we have also a guide. So if you see the symbols, so this is guide, and we have a guide and shoes. So if you see the symbols, we have a guide and 5 shoe. Okay, and also we have stop, stop and shoe, and also guide. So this is a stop, and this is a guide, and this is a 5 shoe. Okay, so you are familiarized from this drawing. So this is a eccentric reducer, and we have also a concentric, so concentric reducer. So this is concentric and this is eccentric. Okay, the difference is, from this eccentric, they both one side is flat. Okay, and we have also symbols of swage. So the swage is, okay, so this is a symbol of swage, eccentric and concentric. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and I hope you have learned regarding these isometric symbols. So this is a very important symbols from the isometric, and have a nice day, guys, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and comment my video. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this is legend sheet, or this is the general symbols. Okay, so in this legend sheet or general symbol includes drawing continuation, piping symbols, responsibility, segment breaks, this is hook up, flange, or joints of presentation, and equipment nozzle connection. They have also a bulbs, safety symbols, and fittings, which is have also a miscellaneous with notes. Okay, so we will start to drawing continuation. Okay, so this is a drawing continuation of lines and signals. So this is you can see in the symbols of the P&ID number. So this is a P&ID number from to OPC P&ID number. So drawing continuation, arrow with unit. Okay, so this is the P&ID number symbols. So from to and link between process and utility P&ID. Okay, so this is FCOPC P&ID number to user from user. Okay, this is a utility P&ID number, geographical distribution collection FC fluid code, connector drawn on utility side. So miscellaneous. So this symbols is open drain to sewer, type of sewer, and this is a numbering of connectors, OPC number. So if you can see this Y and X, they have also a meaning. So this X is sequential number from 01 to 999, and Y is a unit number. So this is the P&ID number. Okay, this is the meaning of the numbering. Y is unit number, X is a sequential number, and Z is a sheet number. Okay, now this is next is a piping symbols. Okay, so this line in a main process line, we have secondary, underground, this dotted line, so trace line, feature, so jacketed pipe, and this is a self-draining. So this is a line with required slope. So this is a gravity line. We have no low pocket. So this is a no low pocket, no high pressure pocket. So this is your familiarized from this arrow. So this is a flow direction, and we have a crossing of pipe, junction of pipe. So this is a gap. So we have a minimum distance and maximum distance. Okay, so next is responsibility. So they have a battery limit. So this symbols is a package limit, interface tie-in. So this circle is a vendor package tie-in, and we have a construction phase tie-in, and this is AG and UG. So this AG is under above ground, and we have underground piping. Okay, next is a segment breaks. So this is segment breaks. We have line break. Next is a piping class. This is insulation break. So this is a tracing break, module break, vendor break, and we have responsibility break. Okay, and we have a line of rectification. So this is a line of rectification. So next is a hook up. So this is from a joint representation. This is a module to module. So module 1, module 2. Okay, so this is an ID representation, and we have a detailed representation. Module hook up, module 2. Okay, so next is equipment nozzle connection. So this is a symbol of nozzle connection. Okay, so in this connection, this symbols is a flange connection, welded connection, flange nozzle. This is a manway front of vessel. This is a hand hole, and we have also emergency relief hatch. Okay, from the structure, so this structure is a drift fan. Okay, so base plate. Okay, so in the bulb symbols, so So this is a symbol of gate valve. We have also a vented gate valve, ball valve. Okay, vented ball valve. So this is orbit valve or equipment. Globe valve. See, this is a globe valve. You see this circle with shadow. This is a needle. Butterfly valve with high pressure. So if you can see this arrow, small arrow, so this is a high pressure side. And we have a diaphragm plug, and this is a spring load valve, three-way valve. You have four-way angle, so this is a check valve, and we have a auto recirculation valve and damper, and we have also a vacuum breaker. Okay. So next is this is a safety symbols. We have safety shower, eye wash, hydrant, ship shore, fire water, foam power, deluge valve, foam concentrate tank, sprinkler. We have hose wheel mounted in cabinet, high capacity hose wheel, and we have dry riser, inlet and outlet yan. Spray nozzle. Okay. So from the fittings, so this is a fittings. We have weld cap, plug, blind plants, reducer plants, coupling, quick release, butt welded joint, plants, and clamp assembly. So next is removable spool piece, elbow type, removable spool, swing elbow, expansion, flexible, hose, strainer Y type, strainer T type, connect out type strainer. So this is a duplex type strainer, bucket type strainer. We have generic filter, spectacle blind open. Okay, if you can see this, this circle, this circle is in the top side with black shadow. Okay, this is a blind open, and the downside circle is not color white or not shadowing. So this is open, and you see this black on the downside, so this is closed. So spacer, we have a ring blind, ring wing, and nose reducer, generic reducer. So this is atmospheric vent with hood, atmospheric vent with lateral discharge, atmospheric vent hook type, and we have bird screen, tan dish, drain box, side flow indicator, and trap drain with steam trap. Okay. So in the miscellaneous, we have corrosion coupon, corrosion proof, silencer, spark arrestor, inline flame arrestor, static mixing siphon. So this is a diaphragm seal, calibration bottle, pulsation dampener, special piping item, portable drum, so mixing tea. Okay. And also in this legend we have notes. Okay. So this is must be read also this note. Okay, if you see this bulb, they have a small square in the upsides. So this is when item to be isolated is located upstream of MBB, and this other one is when the item to be isolated is located downstream of MBB. Okay, so this is the important of the legend sheet or general symbol. Okay, so that's all for guys, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in more in a piping, welding, and DT. You can learn a lot here in the channel, and have a nice day. See you next guys. Bye bye.